How did your film meet the conventions of a thriller film?
It met the conventions of a thriller film because we had a stalker in there, which we got the inspiration from the film Single White Female. We also had a dramatic suspense, which built up because it was a stereotypical thing for a thriller film to have a stalker in it with someone following them. However, we challenged it with a female villain.
How does your film challenge the conventions of a thriller film?
Well, we watched Fatal Attraction and we saw that there was a male victim in that, so we decided that we would use a male victim as well and a young female antagonist. We done this because it would make our film different from different thriller films that are around.
Is there anything else you'd like to add?
Well, we added 2 different types of colours onto the scenes that we done. We added a black and white effect for the past one, for the flashbacks, to show that they were flashbacks, and a darkened effect on the present scenes. We got this inspiration from Psycho and The Birds. The music we used met the conventions of a normal thriller film. We were inspired by the music from The Shining. Our music created an eerie and tension-building atmosphere. This can make a setting appear more sinister than it actually is. We used a rural location for the setting of our thriller film. This goes against the conventions of a typical thriller film that you would see. This is because they tend to be set in more darker and infinite places. We want to be different from typical thriller films such as Seven.